Hey everyone, welcome back to Code the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the limited time free fab assets for the next 2 weeks. And as you can see, there is a MAE Beach Forest, Museum and Gallery Architecture, and the Radical Robots by Taco 3D. So let's go ahead and add these to cart. And now I'll go ahead and purchase these and check out and open them in Unreal Engine. All right, so the first one we're going to be taking an overview of is the museum. So overall, very realistic. You can see these little sculptures, stands, these very high definition flooring here, along with some paintings on the wall. And we also have this exhibition Lorem Ipsum text, along with a barcode, along with a QR code. And overall, really cool. Looks really realistic, and there's some nice architecture. And it might be a little high poly to include in a game, but I'm sure you can optimize that. And then we have this nice looking HDRI, which kind of sets the scene inside here. And we have some AC vents and so on, and some lighting. And overall, pretty cool asset. Yeah, pretty cool asset. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. This is the Beach Forest by Maelstrom. Overall, really cool, pretty hyper realistic looking asset. This is kind of giving me like a PUBG or even a realistic Valheim vibe. Very survival looking open world. Looks really nice. We have a ton of moving foliage, some water, nice reflections, and so on. What is that? Oh, that's just grid lines. Okay. And overall, this is a very big map if your players were to play through this. This map is actually huge. Holy crap. Yeah, and it's all just kind of filled with this foresty environment. And yeah, it looks really cool, looks really high def. And this is definitely one that I hope to see in some games. Now let's go ahead and check out our third fab asset that is completely free. And this is the Radical Robot. So this is kind of giving me that PlayStation game Astrobot vibe. It has quite a few combat animations, some jump animations, emotes, locomotion, damage anims, and so on. So very cutesy, very stylized, very cartoony. I do like how this looks. So this does look really cartoony. Kind of gives me also like Clank from Ratchet and Clank for some reason. Maybe it's an inspiration. And it even comes with some little weapons. So these are the Radical Busters and the power pods and attachable props that you can include onto your character, kind of like some weapon upgrades or however you want it in your game. But overall, this is a pretty cool asset. And we also have these materials to customize the colors of your robot. You can kind of see them just idling here, a bunch of different textures, glowy eyes, and so on. All right, and that pretty much covers the free fab assets. Thanks for watching Code the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.